Now I'm going to tell you the story of the Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, there were 7 eggs. Finally, the eggs cracked, one by one, and the little ducks' heads popped out. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not. He was taller than the others and ugly. "You are ugly," said Mother Duck. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cow. "You are ugly," said the cow. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cat. "You are ugly," said the cat. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a rabbit. "You are ugly," said the rabbit. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a boy. "You are ugly," said the boy. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a girl. "You are ugly," said the girl. "Go away." The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very sad. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. "Look in the water," said the swans. The ugly duckling looked in the water and turned into a beautiful swan.